Right, here's what $3,200 worth of stuff looks like. Got the control pack in. There's the trans wiring. New O2 sensors. Not sure what that harness is to. Here's the gas pedal. I got a scram speed adapter coming. There's the Gen 3 ECU. I do got to figure out a mount for that. This is so I can get rid of the oil cooler. That's for the transmission. I'm going to run 8 AN lines to a Doral cooler. Here's the power by the hour accessories for the alternator, the AC, and the power steering. I still got to go get a pump and a hydro boost from the junkyard. 2 new belts. And a couple of tensioners. Not bad for $3,200. Next week, the ultimate headers and UPR K-member with coilovers will be here when the car starts going together.